If you're asking your photographer for the raw files, this is what you're actually asking for. To better understand what a raw file is, you need to understand how a camera works. In a JPEG, which your phone takes and a bunch of other cameras take, it takes the file, the image, and then it applies all of its own color grading, lighting, and all that kind of stuff to it to make it a finished product to consume. When a camera shoots raw, it takes all of that data, all the highlights, the shadows, color, everything, and stores it into one file so that you can take it into your editor and then make the creative decisions whether you want it brighter, darker, you want more contrast, you want to change the white balance, any of that stuff. So when you ask a photographer for their raw files, you're basically asking for the ingredients to their recipe. You wouldn't go into a restaurant and ask them, hey, can I have all the raw ingredients to this dish so I can put it together and then leave you a review? You wouldn't do that because the chef has spent years curating these incredible ingredients and putting them in together in a way that tastes amazing. It's the same for photography. We don't just show up and push a button. We're understanding how a camera works, how to pose people, how to edit, how to do all this stuff. And when you give away your raw files, you're giving away all of that stuff. On top of that, the raw file is your copyright. As soon as you click that button, you own the image. Not the person you took a photo of, not the client, whoever, you own it. Unless it's, it's in a contract somewhere, but you own the photo as the photographer. Photographers, do you ever hand over your raw files? And if you do, why?